Okay friends, welcome to section 2 and here the magic begins. In this short lecture, I want to talk about 4 terminologies or terms that we may use in the course and you have to understand them as a prompt engineer. Number 1, AI or artificial intelligence. Simply, AI is teaching the computer how to think, learn, and solve problems like humans do. For example, you can give the computer a lot of pictures of cats and train it so the computer will know that this is a cat. So anytime you show the computer a picture, it can tell if it's a cat or not. Wow, very smart. So that's AI. The second term is NLP, or what we call natural language processing. It's simply a field in AI or a subset of AI where we teach computers to understand and process human language. For example, when you go to ChatGPT here and ask, "How are you?" ChatGPT is an AI NLP application that can understand these words, these human language words, and then it can process and then click on send message, it will reply back. So it can also generate human language. Very nice. As an artificial intelligence, I don't have feelings. Very good. So this is AI and NLP. The third term is LLM. Please focus on this term, LLM. Large language model. We will use this term a lot in this course and you have to be familiar with this term as a prompt engineer. What is a large language model? Simply, when we train the computer to understand the human language, the output will be a model. A large language model is an AI model that is trained on a very large amount of data, so it can understand, generate, and process text based on a lot of data. Imagine training it on millions of books, millions of articles, so it will have a very high capability of generating text, meaningful text. So simply, it's a large language model, like ChatGPT, like Google Bard, and other language models. We'll talk about language models later on in detail, but for now, just understand the concept. The last term is what we call GPT, Generative Pre-Training Transformer. Think about it as the mechanism behind how the language models work. So if you are wondering, how does ChatGPT or language models work? They simply predict the next word in a sentence. So when you say, for example, the tree is, and click on submit, you will see it is just predicting the next words or next tokens, as you will see later in this sentence. If you click on this here, it will say that it can be DEC 28%, Pine 24%, and so on. So for each word or for each token, it's called token, it has a percentage, prediction percentage or probability. If you click here, you'll see such 69%. If you click here, branches is 8%, and so on. We will see this later in more details. In short now, it is a technique that language models uses to predict text or to generate text by predicting the next word or token or characters after your input. That's it. We have AI, NLP, LLM, and GPT.